The honest truth is people are making withdrawals live in estate, and that withdrawal is getting processed, right? This money that you are looking at was made by one of our estate members. Okay, it's not my money, but it is one of our members that made this withdrawal, and that our member received his withdrawal within few seconds. And guess what? He shared his screenshot, okay, indicating that the withdrawal has been processed. And once you get this email, trust me, go back to your wallet that you have used to make the withdrawal. You will see this money lying there. And what is actually bringing this money? What is making this profit? It's easy. What estate is doing is they are providing that vehicle for us to purchase a fraction of a real estate. And from this fraction of real estate, we are able to generate profit that you are looking at right now in front of you. Okay? So it's easy. As I said, I have always said to people that are looking for passive income, this is the best platform to get involved in if you really, really need that consistent passive income. That is what you need. And this is where you need to be if you have to do that. So they have quite a number of real estates here that you can choose from, right? So if you register today, if you are interested in receiving this kind of money, right? People are getting this like every single day. Okay. If you are interested in making withdrawals like this on a daily basis, if you wish to do this on a daily basis, you are more than welcome to do so. If you want to leave it for like every 5 days to make your withdrawal from your profit, you are more than welcome to do that as well. But let me just show you what is possible here in estate. So once you have finished your registration and completed your KYC, okay, once your KYC is done, you will have access to your dashboard that you are looking at right now, and you will also be able to select from my right hand side here. You'll be able to select from the profit calculator the real estate that you want to invest in. Okay, the real estate you want to purchase a fraction of it, right? So they have different ones. They have the apartment, which start with $117. You can see that this one is already sold out, so you can't even purchase a fraction of this anymore. And they have the apartment in Miami. This one is very easy to get on with. It's only $10 minimum to get started with this one. However, I don't recommend anybody to start with $10, because when you start with $10, trust me, you are not going to be earning this and withdrawing this every single day. Okay, so you need to invest more and purchase a higher level property for you to be able to be receiving that kind of money. But the idea is to allow everybody access to this platform. That is the reason why the platform has made it possible for anybody to jump in right now and test it out. Just test it with $10 for 5 days and see what is going to happen. And then if you wish to put in more money to receive and make huge profit, okay, which is passive income, basically, you go for a higher property. For example, if you go to the villa property just now, this villa property gives you a minimum of $3,120 to start to purchase this one as minimum. And that in a monthly basis is going to give you up to $400, as you can see from the screen there. Okay, now if you don't want to do this, you can go for a higher property level. For example, if you want to go for the commerce, okay, this is $10,270 to get started with this one as minimum. Okay, remember, you can change and increase this minimum to any amount you want to deposit. For example, if you want to do $12,000 here, you just change this to $12,000, and right away the calculator will tell you exactly how much you are going to be receiving on average okay, every 5 days. Okay, so this will give you up to $85 on a daily basis, and in a month you should be getting up to $1,789, which is like $1,800 basically. So you will break even in 6 months. So this is great. I just showed you few of these properties, but you have access to this if you register today. Registration is free. Okay, nobody's asking you to pay money to register. The registration is free. The KYC is free. All you need to do is to upload a government identity document like your passport or your driver's license or your resident permit, right? And then do a selfie. That is the process of KYC. And once all of that is verified, you will have access to your dashboard where you will be able to use the calculator, the profit calculator, to check how much you intend to be getting on a daily basis. And that will now tell you how much you are going to, invest to purchase a fraction of that particular property. Okay, so this profit calculator is actually good for everybody that is in estate and for those of you that are looking to join estate today. So this is the deal, right? If you would like to receive this kind of money that people are getting in this platform, right? The best option for you right now is to sign up with the link below this video description, and that will not allow you to have access to those properties that I have shown you, and then you will not be able to select the one that you felt is okay for you based on the profit that you are going to be getting on a daily basis, right? So as I said, the calculator is right in your back office if you wish to do this. The link to do so is below this video description, and I look forward to seeing you in my team. I am quite happy that our team members are making these withdrawals on a daily basis. It's not just me that is making the withdrawals. Everybody in estate are able to make withdrawal in estate as long as you have purchased a fraction of a property and that property is giving you up to $1 profit daily. You will be able to withdraw that $1 profit daily. Okay, so the minimum to withdraw is $1, and you will be able to withdraw $1 and above. So that is the reason why our members are now beginning to make these withdrawals from the fractional real estate that they have purchased. Now, remember, everything is automated in this platform, right? You do not have to do anything apart from the initial process steps that you need to follow, like your registration, your KYC, you deposit money, and then you purchase your real estate. That is all you need to do. Once that is done, every other thing is automated. Okay, if you want to make your withdrawal, you have to go inside your back office, apply to withdraw your profit, and everything will be automatically credited to your specified wallet destination that you have put in your back office. So trust me, this is where you need to be, right? Because it has been consistent for so long that they started this platform. So I wish you good luck and looking forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.